Hey everybody, I just wanted to real quickly show you all of the kicking stations that I'm going to be doing with my students this week, working on foot skills. This one is called the kick pit. And as you can see, I have the tables tipped on the sides and I put these little marks on the floor with the floor markers, and the students have to try to kick the ball and make it go past one of the other students. And as you can see, we're using a tennis ball. And if you have more players than there are gaps, I have 5 gaps here, then it's like Foursquare, where one ball goes through someone's opening, that person rotates out to the waiting line, and then the next person comes in. And whoever does come in gets to start with the ball. So that is called the kick pit. The next station is the QB54 chairs, and as you can see, I have them set up along the wall there. And I'm using Nerf footballs and a mega noodle that's cut for a T, and the students are going to try to kick the ball and make it go through the goalpost. The next station is the kick darts game that I was able to pick up at Walmart this summer on clearance, and I know a lot of people have this. I didn't get it as low as some other people, but I certainly didn't pay full price. So they come with 4 balls, and if you kick the ball, sticks right to the target. It's pretty cool. And this station is called Tic Tac Toe, and what I did was I made a Tic Tac Toe board with masking tape on the wall. And I'm using these balls that I got from Play Soccer Golf. They're called the pelota, nice and soft ball. So what the students do is they kick the ball, and if they make it go and hit inside there, one of the squares, then I have these that I made that have 2 sides, circle on one side, X on another. So let's say this team was the O, so they would just wedge it in between there with the carabiner, and then the next team would go. And in this game, you can play until one team has tic-tac-toe, or, and this is something that Ben Perillo and I were talking about. Let's say that one team kicks it. Let's say the next team, that's the X, kicks it and actually hits the O. And the great thing about these is these are just reversible. You just turn it around and the X is on the other side. And again, all you do is just wedge it in between the mat there. So again, I call this one Kick-Tac-Toe.